Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how I apply my Dollar Tree glue-on nails, my Sassy and Chic fashion nails. I did a video prior on all the different designs of the fashion nails that I had, or the Sassy and Chic nails that I had, but today I'm going to show you how I apply them to get them to last for about a week and a half, 2 weeks. This is just what works best for me. But let's get into it. I already started on this hand because I didn't want to do it all on camera. But first we're going to remove any excess nail polish. Ugh, my nails are a mess. Any excess nail polish or excess glue that you might have. I also purchased this at the Dollar Tree and it has been amazing for nail polish remover. Just a cotton ball and remove your nail polish. You're really going to just want to make sure that you have clean nails, free of any lumps, bumps, prior glue, nail polish, anything like that. Alright, once your nails are initially cleaned, then you're going to want to trim them, especially if you're using these types of the Sassy and Chic nails. So these regular false nails, they actually are a bit shorter than you would anticipate them being. Sassy and Chic does have a stiletto option now as well, and an oval option. These ones are extremely long, the stiletto and oval options. So you don't necessarily need to trim your nails for these ones, but if you are using the like quote unquote standard Sassy and Chic fake nails, they are a lot shorter than you would anticipate them being, so I like to trim my nails. Also because my nails grow unbelievably quickly, just trimming them before I put them on just helps them to stay a little bit more healthy, I feel. And I'm not trimming them too short, or I'm not trying to trim them too short. If you already have short nails, you can skip that. You might not necessarily need that step, but my nails grow rather quickly. So then all you're going to do is take a nail file of your choosing. I like one that has a soft side and a little bit more of a rough side. These ones I got at my old job like a long time ago. And you're just going to file your nails like you would after trimming them. And this doesn't have to be perfect. This is really just about smoothing any like rough edges or hangnails that you might have given yourself during the cutting process. Once your nails are all nice and trimmed and filed, what I like to do now is take the more like soft side of a nail file. If you have one that is like a medium grit and a fine grit, take the fine to medium grit and just buff up the surface of your nails a little bit. I just find that this gives the glue a little bit more to grip to. When you are buffing up your nails, what I will say is make sure you're getting the sides of your nails as well, and you're not just doing the exact center portion of your nail, because I feel like sometimes that happens where I'm just buffing them and I just do the top and then I just have like one little strip of buffed nail. Make sure you're getting the whole surface of the nail. Now that all of your nails are buffed, I just like to kind of like shake my hands off to get all of the the nail particles out of the way. And then I go back in with some nail polish remover. And I just lightly go over every single nail. One, to get all of those little like particles, dust particles, nail particles off, and make sure this also just ensures that any oils that might have transferred from the nail file or the actual nails are gone. So it just really makes sure that you're having like a clean surface for the nail glue to adhere to. At this step, you can push your cuticles back if you would like. I personally don't do that most of the time when I'm putting my fake nails on, only because I put these fake nails on so often. I just do it in such a hurry. But if you'd like to push your cuticles back, go ahead, do so. I don't feel like it's necessarily a necessary step for putting on these glue-on nails. Then you're going to pick your poison. Today I'm going to be using these flower ones that I got a long time ago. I always get 2 packs. One pack comes with 12 nails, and yes, you can do 1 full manicure with 1 pack. However, the nails that I use just fit a little bit better if I get 2 packs. So $2. But they do have cute designs. Your standard French manicure, marble, this nice like greeny cheetah-y print, then your stiletto options, nice iridescent metallic accent nails. But these are the ones that I'm going to use today. What you need to note is that the glue is not included. You need to purchase your own glue. These are not like the Kiss nails. They are not stick-on nails. They are glue-on nails that you need to purchase your own glue. I made that mistake the very first time of buying these. I did not read the packaging properly. So you need to buy your own glue. Kiss makes a good glue with this maximum speed nail glue. It dries really quickly. It's very nice. They also make a nice brush-on glue as well. This will give you a little bit more precision for your glue and a little less seepage. But to be honest, my favorite glue lately has been the Sassy and Chic Instant Glue. It is the nail glue that they sell at the Dollar Tree. It goes a long way. It is a little bit more on the liquid side. However, it does adhere the nails very, very nicely. So what you're going to do is take your nails, and what I like to do is I like to lay them all out first. I like to measure them and then lay them out in the order that I'm going to be using them. So I already know which nails generally fit the best on which fingers. So I'm just going to quickly measure them and put them where I need them. But I think just measuring them out before and putting them in the row that you need them, it just makes it easier for when you're applying the glue. You can just quickly pop the nails on. And it's a little less guesswork. And also, if your nails are patterned and you lay them all out, you can see which patterns go with which nails. So a lot of the times they will give you like accent nails. So like one nail will be all black, one will be polka dotted, some will be hot pink or like metallic. So sitting them all out just gives you a better idea of what your manicure will actually look like before you put them on your hand. So you can match up your fingers if you would like and all that jazz. Once you lay them all out, you're ready to glue. When you are gluing them, just note that on these Sassy and Chic nails, there is a more flimsy side and a much more stable side. The more flimsy side or the weaker side is going to go towards your cuticle. I have glued these on upside down before, and it is not pleasant. So just make sure when you are gluing them on that you are gluing them on the correct way. But that also will help when you're sorting them out to make sure that they're all facing the right way as well. Take your glue. You only really need one dot. Glue it on. Try not to get the glue everywhere. Sometimes there will be seepage out the sides. Wait 3 to 5 seconds. And there you go. Glued on. And this is what I mean. I don't know if you can even see that, but like if you can see this shine on my finger, that's what I mean by seepage out the side of the glue. Sometimes that's unavoidable. Sometimes you can manage that by putting on less glue. That's sometimes why people prefer the brush on, because you can control the amount of glue that you're using a little bit better. But it doesn't really bother me all that much. Really, one dot of glue with this Sassy and Chic nail adhesive is really all you need. There you go. When you get to your pointer and thumb, I always wait to do my pointers and thumbs last on either hand, just because it's easier to pick up the nails and apply them if you wait. Then you do your pointer and your thumb. My pointer finger is always the hardest one for me because I use the smaller nail, but my pointer finger is a flatter finger, so it takes a minute. And there you have it. That is how I apply my Dollar Tree Sassy and Chic nails. These will generally last me about a week and a half, 2 weeks. It depends on how often I'm washing my hands. As of late with coronavirus, I'm washing my hands more so they don't stay on quite as long. But yeah, I wear these often because it's just a quick and simple and cheap and effective way of giving your hands a little bit more of a manicured look. So yeah. I will link all of the products that I used in the description box below, so if you are interested in doing your own glue-on manicures at home, you can check all of those products out on your own time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.